Hey, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
Did you know that we have many Shanganese here in Africa? I mean, I thought we have Shanganese only in South Africa.
Yeah, no.
Do you know about this Shanganese that are called Nigerians?
What is it now, my brother? Come on now.
Do you know those Nigerians? Those Shanganese. Those are the big Shanganese I've ever seen.
But since we are talking about those Shanganese called Nigerians, have you ever seen a Nigerian with a CV?
No. Those Shanganese.
Have you ever seen a Nigerian looking for a job?
They don't look for jobs, those Shanganese, Baba.
Where do they get money?
Those ones. But I remember those ones, they are pure Shanganese. They even do black magic.
Hey. Oh.
Have you watched those movies?
I've seen the movie.
Someone will disappear the lightning and then these Shanganese, where do they come from?
So you mean
they make their own money, those ones. Those ones,
and they take our women,
And no.
They take our women.
They take our women. Oh, their women. I think our women go to them. Our women want those guys.
Our women want money. Actually, I blame the government.
You mean they don't want those guys?
I blame the government because we are not working.
Yeah.
So I think maybe our own, but.
Those guys, they make their own money with their magic, Baba. Those Shanganese from Nigeria, because they be like, no, they don't have stress. I give you money.
What is it now?
What is it?
Come on now. I give you money. I power you whatever you want. Don't do this. Don't do this.
They don't stress about money. Those Shanganese.
They don't stress about money.
Those ones, Baba.
Come on now.
Everything.
Everything.
You can even see by their body, their muscle, that this one, but they are really Shanganese. They're huge.
Big Shanganese, those
ones. Big Shanganese, those ones. Even the Congo ones, they know.
Nigerians are Shanganese.
Those ones, Baba.
With Shangani, with money.
Shanganese with money. Have you seen those Shanganese from Nigeria wearing like sneakers or techies? They always wear
size 15.
They always wear those patas things and
the flops.
Yeah, but then it's bigger size. They don't have size for sneakers. Those Shanganese.
They don't wear sneakers. Those ones.
They don't have size. Size 15 upwards. There's no sneakers. Size 15 sneaker.
No, like those ones are giant Shanganese.
Giant Shanganese, Baba.
How do our women survive there?
Because everything is giant there.
My brother.
My brother.
Keep quiet to.
Keep quiet to.
My brother. I don't know.
I don't have seen it all now.
Our women.
Those ones.
They can take it.
Those ones. They can take it. Those ones. You. They have what it takes.